Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to snooze a group on the Facebook app when using a PC so you can take a break from their posts without actually leaving the group. With the new update, the process is super simple and only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see your usual feed filled with posts from friends, pages, and groups you follow. To snooze a group, you don't have to go directly into the group's page, just wait until one of its posts appears in your feed. When you spot a post from the group you want to snooze, look toward the top right corner of that post. You'll notice three small dots sitting side by side. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear showing different options for managing your interaction with that specific post or group. From these options, select the one that says snooze group name for 30 days. It might show the actual name of the group instead of the word group, like snooze cooking lovers for 30 days. Once you click it, Facebook will instantly apply this setting. That means you won't see new posts from that group in your feed for the next 30 days. This feature is great when your newsfeed starts feeling crowded or when you just need a short break from certain updates without unfollowing or leaving the group entirely. After the 30 days are up, posts from the group will automatically start showing in your feed again, but you can always snooze it again if you'd like. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to snooze a Facebook group for 30 days using the Facebook app on your PC. It's quick, easy, and helps keep your feed focused on what matters most to you. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this one. Thanks for watching.